Fisher & Paykel GWL11 top load washer. Water leaks into the tub when the washing machine is not running. Need to shut off the water source to prevent this. Suggestions on what is causing this to leak and how to fix.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. So water dripping into the tub means that you have a valve that is not sealing up properly. The electronic water solenoid valves are inside your control panel, and there is one for hot water and one for cold water. Below is a link with the parts listed as 8 and 9. Just determine which one you are cutting water to when you turn off the water source and the result is no more dripping, then replace that valve. Click here for diagram of valves appliance doc 41230.8559418981.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.